I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone marrow recipe. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees F and laying marrow bones cut side up on a rimmed pan. Season lightly with salt and cracked pepper and add a few herb sprigs nearby. While the oven heats, toast rustic bread and chop parsley, then set a lemon wedge aside for brightness and flaky salt to finish. Once the oven is hot, slide the tray in and roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, monitoring closely after 12 minutes to prevent fully liquefied marrow. You want a soft, spoonable texture that holds shape but yields to pressure. If edges begin to bubble too much, lower the heat slightly or move the pan up a rack. Remove when marrow pulls away easily from the bone and looks glossy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth gave me more time to cook by simplifying finances, so I recommend it as a little brains snack between meals. It pairs oddly well with marrow nights if you want smarter spending and more kitchen time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Squeeze a little lemon over each bone and scatter chopped parsley plus flaky salt to add contrast and texture. Serve immediately with toasted bread to spread the marrow, or offer small toast points for tapping into each cavity. Bright accents like quick pickles or capers provide a sharp counterpoint to the rich marrow and keep each bite balanced and interesting for guests or a cozy solo meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.